But yeah, so your girl's gonna travel. Like, it's God is telling me he wants me to keep traveling, so I'm gonna keep traveling as I'm supposed to. Hi you guys, happy new year. Can I still say that? Yeah. I think you can keep saying happy new year until the end of the month. So yeah, happy new year. I hope you guys had a wonderful holiday. So I am back with an unboxing. For those of you who are new, if you don't know who I am, I'm Peace, aka Miss Preppy Pearl. And today I'm gonna be unboxing a luggage set. Yes, another luggage set. God is clearly telling me I am meant to travel, because this brand reached out to me, basically review their luggage set, and I was like, bet, like, let's go ahead and do it. So I'm actually so excited. Again, it's just a sign. It's a sign I meant to travel, because the girl has to keep traveling. Like, what's the phrase? I only leave my house to do what? When I'm leaving the country. Period. So yeah, anyway, let me stop rambling. Let me go ahead and show you guys the luggage set. Hope you guys, can y'all see that? I hope you guys can see it. Yeah, y'all pretty much see it. So actually I think I might adjust. Let me adjust, you guys. All right, so here we are, you guys. It is BADGLEY and MISCHKA. I think that's how you pronounce it, but yeah, as you can see, I have not opened it. We are gonna open it together. So yeah, so I need to find like some type of knife to open it or something. I think I have like a letter opener. Let me see. Found my letter opener, so I'm gonna use this. Oh, let me bring this closer to you guys. That unboxed. Guys, this is actually a 3-piece luggage set, which I'm so happy about. Okay, I'm going to have to open this. How do I do this? Don't hurt yourself. Ugh. I should really get some help. We got it out. My days. Okay, I'm back. This is the... You guys, the one thing that drew me to this was just the fact that it was like black and gold, and y'all already know your girl, I love gold things, so I was like, yeah, let me review it. But having this, it is so pretty. It is so pretty. And also the other thing about this that I love is that it's expandable as well. So you guys, I'm gonna just leave that on for right now, but here's the logo for those of you who want to see it. That's the logo. And 8 spinner. So features of this, like I said, it's the Grace collection, lightweight, ultra strong, water resistant 8 spinner wheel. So yeah, and basically it comes like this, and it gives you like the whole kebab thing. Like a little pamphlet. So it does have a 10-year warranty, so if you need that, that's definitely there. Also, it comes in other colors as well. So if you look here, it comes in like a pink or pastel pink color. It comes in a yellow, a black, and then I feel like that's like a white. So yeah, if you want, you know, a different color than the black, but all the hardware will still be like gold. This vlogging thing, I haven't vlogged in so long, I forgot how to vlog. Definitely very solid, very solid. So yeah, let's open it. Second one. So this is all three. You have the smallest one, the medium size, and the big one. You guys, I love it. It's just so pretty. I love the black and gold embellishments. I just love that. I love all the handles. I love the handles, if y'all can see that. Gold, you know, girl. Then the wheels. This is what I was trying to show you guys. The wheels have the, you know, the logo on there, and they're also gold. Like, who doesn't love gold? This is the inside, you guys. So when you're, and all the bags basically look like this. I love the logo ing inside, so definitely love that. Extra space. You have this compartment where you can basically put stuff in it, and then you I guess you can secure this area. So this is in all of the luggage sets, and then it has some other features in it too. Little bag area, so maybe you can put like toiletries in here. This is also something that you put stuff in. Luggage here. Unzip this area. And you have all the space in here as well. It's a retro suitcase, so just kind of like what I said, the vintage and retro style. It's embellished with like accent hardware, vegan leather straps, and featuring 8 spinner wheels. It's expandable, and it basically just provides a practical touch to your trip. So some of the features of the luggage include, again, the retro design, the logo plate, which who doesn't like a good, you know, black and gold logo? Like, who doesn't? Who doesn't? And then it's made from lightweight and thick brush ABS. ABS, I don't know what ABS stands for, but I'll let you guys know what that is. Roll smooth, quiet, topside handle for easily handling, 10-year limited warranty, zipper pullers, hassle-free. And again, the interior features, all of the bags have like fully lined interior with exclusive BM lining, 2 separate main compartments, zippered mesh pocket, zipper central pocket, and then compression straps. This is Badgley and Mishka. Vogue has hailed Mark Badgley and James Mishka as one of the top 10 American designers and as the darlings of the Hollywood set. So the design duo have made their mark over the past 3 decades with glamorous, stylish, and wearable evening wear and accessories, and they've expanded now into luggage. And so I guess they are trying to show you guys that the luxury and the glamour can go into your traveling as well. So I'm very happy, excited about using this. I also like it because it's black, so it'll hide like scuff marks and everything, because that's the one thing I have a problem with my current luggages, that literally because they're like cream and tan and whatnot, they scuff up easily. So I'm constantly having to clean it, which you should just clean your luggage anyway when you come back from any trip, but you know, those marks sometimes are just so hard to get off. So the fact that it's black, it will definitely like hide all of those problems that I have. So yeah, I love this so much. The only drawback I would say that it has, and maybe this could be a concern of you for you guys out there who want to purchase this, is just the fact that it doesn't have like a TSA lock thing. So you might have to get your own TSA locks and lock them. Some of my luggages have the TSA lock. That's kind of maybe why I'm nitpicky about it, because you know, you already have that, but it's totally fine. I have TSA locks anyway, so I'll just be putting them on here. But I definitely love it. They said that it's like ultra strong, like you could drop this so many times and it won't work. And honestly, feeling it, this is a different, like I have not felt something this sturdy in a luggage set in a very long time. So I do think it will withhold, like, you know, it will definitely be very strong, and it will withhold like wear and tear and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm definitely excited to take this with me when I travel this year, because yeah, your girl is traveling this year. You guys will know soon where that is, but for now, I will definitely be using that, and when I do use it, I will let you guys know if it lives up to the expectations that I have. So that is it for me, you guys. Thank you for watching. Like I said, I will be taking this. I think this is gonna be my like go-to luggage set. I can already tell. with the way like the material and everything. Yeah, your girl is loving it so far, so I'm definitely ready to travel. This luggage set, I'm gonna provide the link to it in my bio or in the description. And yeah, that is it from me. Thank you guys. Please make sure you like, subscribe, share with your friends. Your girl, we trying to grow the family, so go ahead and do that, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the luggage. And yeah, that is it from me. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.